So this is a brand new Kinemaster project and I've already imported a video here. Now if you want to add any background music to this video, there are basically two ways to do this, okay? So in the first method, you can directly import any music to this video from your audio library, or there is another way, I'll show you that too. So in the first method, to import any music, you shouldn't select the clip, okay? So don't select your video clip, just click anywhere else. Now look at the right side. You see an audio icon here, so just click here. Now you will see some musics here, and all these musics are provided by Kinemaster app, but I'll strongly suggest you not to use any music from here because they are copyrighted music, okay? So to import any music from your phone gallery, what to do? Here are some options, okay? So from these options, you can click on songs, and once you click on songs, you will see all the musics that have been saved on your phone storage. Now to use any music in your video project, just click on that music, for example. And once you click on that music, look at the right side, you see a plus icon here. So to add this music to your video project, just click on this plus mark. Now the audio is added to my video project, okay? And now you can move the audio as per your need, like this. So that was the first method to import the music to your video project. Now I'm gonna show you the second method. To show you the second method, I wanna import another video clip. So this is another video. There is some music in this video. Now if you wanna use the music of the second video with the first one, how can I do this? First click on a video clip. Now you gotta extract the audio from this video clip. And now in the right side, look at the tools. Just scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down. And now you see an extract audio option here. So click on it. Now see the audio is extracted from the video file. Now click on that audio and hold for a few seconds like this. And now you can move the audio to anywhere else you want, okay? Thus you can use the music of other videos with another video, okay? Hope you understand the process. And if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your problem, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative tutorial videos, then subscribe right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.